The certificate in healthcare practice is a level 4 qualification, so it's equivalent to a higher education course that provides a basis of knowledge and linking to practice for people that already work within a clinical setting. So that might be within the NHS, or it might be within other settings where they have work closely with nurses as well. It also gives them an equivalent to the first year of nurse training, so it allows them to do further progression. What we do within the course is take the skill sets that they're often learning and know and do day in and day out on the wards or in the community settings or in the clinics they are, but we underpin that with the theory so that they have that understanding of why they're actually doing what they're doing, not just doing it because somebody tells them. And by doing this, it gives them confidence, it empowers them to actually start thinking for themselves and provide that person-centred, holistic care that is so important. They start with the foundations of your basics around nursing, so we're looking at being an accountable professional, linking to the different codes of conduct, we bring in confidentiality, consent, ethics, but then we go on to do including care planning and developing those skills around assessment and evaluation of the patient. We do health promotion, and the students have to do a quality improvement project, which we get some fabulous ideas which they've put into practice in real life, which is great because we're improving patient care. The course offers lots of progression options within their roles themselves. They can move on to those higher band roles, so for assistant practitioner or band 4 roles, but they can also then go on to map on to part-time programmes to complete their full nurse training in all fields of practice as well. So from the course itself, we've had, over the last 3 years, we've got a 93% success rate on completion, with 67% of those gaining a merit and distinction above as well. So it puts them in really good stead to go on to their nurse training as well.